Hello, ServiceNow. My name is Ailey Anderson, and I'm here to tell you the story of our app, Tracy Social AI. I'd like to start by introducing you to the Yansa team. We are a company of ServiceNow developers who specialize in custom app development on the ServiceNow platform. At the 2023 Knowledge Hackathon, the Yansa team took home the prize for the generative AI category. Our participation in the hackathon sparked all sorts of ideas from the team on ways that we could utilize AI to increase productivity in the workplace. Running off this energy, the concept of Tracy was born. Tracy was created to help manage Yansa's social media accounts. Our co-founders, John and Ben, have a company to run. They know that having a social media presence is a vital part of business growth, but they simply aren't able to dedicate the time necessary for crafting quality, eye-catching posts. They also find it difficult to know what sort of content will appeal to the various audiences that interact with them through social media. Enter Tracy. Tracy acts as our company's very own social media advocate, whose purpose is to take care of running the company's social media so that John and Ben don't have to. Tracy is now just another member of the team. Let's take a few minutes to dive into Tracy Social AI and see how it has helped Yansa build their social media presence. As the managers of Yansa's social media accounts, John and Ben can come into Tracy Social AI and set up regularly scheduled social media posts. They do this by creating a new schedule rule. They give the schedule a name and then define parameters for the post content. They do this by giving Tracy a predefined prompt, a persona to post as, and some general context and instruction statements. Tracy will use these configured settings when generating new post content. After defining the post content, they can then set up a posting schedule. Now that they have a posting schedule set up, John and Ben will receive an email from Tracy whenever a new post is ready for review. They can approve, reject, or edit the post that Tracy created. Once they hit approve, the post will be sent off at the scheduled time to their social media platforms. It's that simple. Now that you've seen how Tracy works, let's take a look at the impact it's had on our company.
Hello there, my name is John Anderson, co-founder of Yansa Labs. Now, we've really enjoyed building Yansa into the company that it is today. However, we recognize that social media marketing efforts have always taken a back seat to other responsibilities that come with running the business. One day, we decided that we wanted to change things up a bit. We recognized that we have a lot of existing content already about our products and services that we've created over the years. And also, our team is really good about documenting and sharing information that they learn as they do their daily work. Tracy Social AI really changed the game for us when we connected it to all of that internal content. So now on a regular basis, Tracy will generate and suggest a social media post. Now we can review it, we can alter it if we wish, and then click approve, and it goes out to our social media channels. Now, as we look to improve our social media presence over the coming months and years, Tracy Social AI is going to be the critical component to making that a success. Tracy can consume and generate more social media content than we could ever hope to afford to do on our own.
If you follow us on LinkedIn, you may have noticed an uptick in our chattiness over the past several months. That's because you have been a part of our live testing phase. Since August 1st of 2023, 100% of our content on LinkedIn has been generated via Tracy Social AI. Tracy is reactive to the work we're doing. While some content is posted periodically to keep our followers engaged, other content is generated based on changes in the ServiceNow environment. For example, Tracy posted about Yansa's recertification service when the latest ServiceNow release opened for general availability. So, how is it going? Ever since Tracy joined the team, we've more than doubled our following from the previous 6 years and have seen a huge increase in the rate of growth for followers, reactions, and reposts. Tracy immediately increased the number of interactions we have with our social media posts and has kept that number high as we've maintained a consistent posting cadence. Yansa is currently a small-scale social media user. We post a couple times a week to a LinkedIn account. Prior to using Tracy, it took a couple of hours per post to handle ideation, data gathering, and post creation. Tracy Social AI essentially pushes that time to zero. This means we are saving about 24 hours per month on social media management. That's time that can now be spent developing our products instead. Because we can now use that time to work on our products and services, we are saving ourselves about $6,000 a month that would have been spent on social media marketing. If Yansa were a larger organization posting every day across various social networks, just imagine the time and money that Tracy could save. In addition to time and cost savings per post, we also save time and money on customer acquisition. Using internal resources for lead generation, outreach, calls, etc., our typical cost to acquire a customer is around $3,000. If we use an external sales resource, that number is over $6,000. Using Tracy, our customer acquisition cost is closer to $600. Tracy generates increased visibility of our product line and services. This translates to inbound leads for both products and services. What started out as a proof of concept has now become an important part of Yansa's marketing strategy. Thanks to the reach we achieve with Tracy, many customers learn about Yansa Labs and our products and services who wouldn't know about us otherwise. Once we realized how much Tracy was able to help us, we wanted to offer these capabilities to our own customers. Today, you can find Tracy Social AI as a certified application in the ServiceNow store. Give it a try. Who knows? Maybe you'll find that Tracy will become an important part of your own team.